Experts emphasize that even if this new beverage doesn't replace Coca-Cola, its mere existence shifts the global balance of power in the soft drinks industry. In the long term, The Economist argues this development symbolizes a deeper economic rivalry between the United States and China. What once revolved around semiconductors, electronics, or defense technologies is now extending into cultural symbols and consumer brands. For decades, Coca-Cola has been more than a business. It's been a cornerstone of American influence, spreading alongside Hollywood, pop music, and fast food. Now, China is signaling that it can compete even in this arena, the realm of soft power and cultural identity. This isn't just about a replicated drink. It's about a global shift in which China is rewriting the rules of branding and market dominance. The United States, in turn, finds itself defending symbols that once seemed untouchable. Though Coca-Cola's legacy, emotional appeal, and massive advertising resources may help it retain its crown, the rise of a Chinese equivalent sends a clear warning to the entire industry. If even Coca-Cola's formula can be replicated, no brand is beyond challenge. According to Politico, Washington may not remain passive. Reports suggest the White House is considering officially designating Coca-Cola as a national cultural brand, granting it special status within U.S. diplomacy and soft power initiatives. Losing such a symbol, experts warn, would be seen as a blow to America's cultural identity. At the same time, trade measures could also be on the table. Potential restrictions on non-food springs exports to Western countries under claims of unfair competition or intellectual property concerns. While proving such violations may be difficult, the threat of investigations alone could dampen investor enthusiasm and slow non-food's expansion. However, many analysts, including those at Harvard Business Review, argue that this battle won't be won in courtrooms but in consumers' hearts. Coca-Cola's true advantage lies in its emotional legacy. To defend it, the company may double down on storytelling, tying the drink even more closely to holidays, cultural moments, and American lifestyle values. According to Axios, insiders reveal Coca-Cola is already considering launching a limited edition premium variant to remind the world that there's only one real cola, positioning everything else as an imitation. Such branding could psychologically reinforce loyalty, making any rival version feel secondary. Still, the broader implications go far beyond the beverage aisle. China's success in decoding a symbol as sacred as Coca-Cola demonstrates its growing ability to challenge Western cultural hegemony itself. The real contest now is not just about taste or price, but about global identity, values, and influence. The question is clear: can the United States maintain its symbolic leadership, or are we witnessing the dawn of a new era where even the most enduring emblems of the American way of life are no longer untouchable? If you enjoyed this analysis and want to stay updated on stories that shape our world, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow Insight Global for more powerful insights every week.